chapter number 1. How does a moving floor work? Well, there's a metal frame, could be in aluminium or in steel. There are slats moving forward and backward, and there are cross members supporting them. So how do we advance bulk material in this moving floor? Well, there's a specific cycle movement. It is a continuous conveying movement, which I want to describe now. We have, first of all the slats coming forward, movement number 1, and afterwards the slats go back individually, one after the other. This is the second movement, the third movement, and the fourth movement. Coming back to the initial position, we start again the cycle, and with the stroke of the hydraulic cylinders doing this movement, we advance such a heap of bulk material on the moving floor.